Hello mga karepa!
Ako ang inyong Repa Makz at ang ating is May!
So what's up mga karepa? So today we're going to cook this one. So I bought this from the market. This one is a stingray. So what are we going to do now is we're going to cook a Filipino food which is stingray in coconut milk. O tinatawag nating pagi, ginataang pagi in Tagalog. So we just have to going to clean this one first and slice it. I'm going to show you. So we're needing some spices which is ginger, onions, and the garlic. So we need this one to spice up the stingray. Later we're needing ground pepper, fish sauce, cooking oil, and also a little bit of seasoning. So this one, we're going to use this one for taste only, to taste only. So up to you if you're going to put it a lot or you're going to put it a little. And we also be needing the coconut milk. So first thing that we're going to do is put the cooking oil on our pan. So we're just going to saute the spices that we have, okay, until you see our spices that are actually cooked already. If I'm the one cooking, I usually start with the ginger. Okay, so saute the ginger first until golden brown in low heat. Okay, so you just have to use low heat. So I usually don't put out anything. The skin is there. So after the ginger, we're going to put the onions. So next is our onions. So I usually put last the garlic. Alright. After putting this one, we're going to put the last one, which is the garlic. There you go. And just have to mix. So here is the stingray that we have. So I slice this one smaller, that it can be cooked easier and faster. So you just have to saute this one until cooked. So while cooking, you can add up some of our ground pepper already and our seasoning. Yeah, and that later on we'll just have to put a little for to taste. Oops. And we just have to mix it again. So actually stingray, you can actually cook this one fast. So you just have to saute this one for a while. I can put the coconut milk already. It's up to you if you're going to put it all or just a little. So by the way mga karepa, if you want this stingray in coconut milk to be spicy, so you can add up some chili. So I want to put 3 chilies here. But if you can't eat a spicy food, then don't put chili. Yeah, boy. After that, you just have to put fish sauce. Only for to taste, okay? Don't put a lot. So here it is mga karepa. We're done cooking our stingray with coconut milk. Bon appetit! We're going to eat now. So if you like our recipe, please thumbs up and comment down below. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. God bless. And that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.